Ready, start. Unless a businessman has an abundant knowledge of the fundamental art of calculating, he will be hopelessly outclassed in the keen competition of modern times, and might even have to abandon a business life full stop. An apparently trivial amount, a tiny fraction may make the difference between profit and loss and turn a favorable amount into an adverse balance full stop. In no branch of commerce is this more evident than in transactions with the continent and other parts of the world full stop. So many with the continent and other parts of the world full stop. So many factors have to be taken into consideration that the middlemen, by whose offices such transactions are settled, must calculate to a nice full stop. He cannot afford to make a rough estimate, to leave the matter to an inefficient men or women full stop. Men or women inexperienced in figures would be useless in such offices full stop. What is this exorbitant price which determines his choice, question mark? It is a price beyond that which he would be required to pay for gold and for the expense of sending it to his creators, full or for the security that would in the foreign country command enough credit to cancel the debt, full stop. When we are guided, as normally we are, by economic considerations, we elect the cheaper instrument for performing a necessary operation. We do not give good money when poor will suffice, full stop. That would be detrimental to our business, as the audit accounts would afterward show, full stop. Lack of toilets had forced crowds of Indians, especially our daughters in law, to lead an undignified and unhealthy life, full stop. Next para. Under the Switch Bharat, more than 9 crores toilets have been constructed, full stop. It is the outcome of this mass movement that coverage of rural sanitation that was less than 40% in 2014, has increased to 98%, full stop, according to an assessment, because of the toilets built, numerous poor persons have been spread of various kind of disease and more than 3 lakh lives have been saved, full stop. In the year of the 150 birth anniversary of Mahatma Gandhi, we must remember that we have resolved in his memory to achieve Switch Bharat by 2nd October, full stop. Next para. Honorable member, many of our mothers, sisters and daughters used to suffer from various illness because of smoke filled kitchens, which also affected health of the entire family, and much of their effort and time were spent in collecting firewood. Full stop. Next para. May was beginning to have a heavy heart. Full stop. Perhaps even with the money in the bag, it would still be possible for them to get a house to meet their requirements, and their requirements, comma, she believed, comma, were so simple. Full stop. They walked to the third house. Full stop. It was a little way out of the small market town. Full stop. Of the principal street, comma, and the road leading to it had not been made up. Full stop. They had to walk carefully in order not to fall into the many helps that were in the road. Full stop. And so we find that many of the common experiences of daily life have no meaning in themselves and become real for us only when considered in relation to some other fact or object. Full stop.